So today is Pancake Tuesday, and sometimes Pancake Tuesday is called Shrove Tuesday. And on Pancake Tuesday, what we traditionally do is we make pancakes and we eat them. But even though you might eat pancakes other times of the year, it's traditional that we would eat them on Pancake Tuesday. And the reason for Pancake Tuesday has to do with Lent. And Lent is the 40 days, and sometimes it's a little bit more, a little bit less than 40. But it's the 40 days that lead up to Easter. And at Easter, Jesus was crucified and then he rose again from the dead. And that's the end of Lent at Easter time. And during Lent, it's common for us to make a sacrifice. And that usually means that we give up something. It's usually something we like. So we might give up sweets or sugar in our tea, or give up eating bickies. Or you might start something, like start a good habit like helping out at home. And the reason we do this is we're kind of copying Jesus. When Jesus was preparing for Easter, he spent 40 days in the desert. And he was called fasting. So he was not eating for 40 days. And Lent is a kind of a copying of this. And then years ago, because people weren't going to be eating anything sweet or very, what they call rich food during Lent, they'd use it all up on Pancake Tuesday. The day before Lent started, they'd have a big feast and they'd use up all their honey and eggs and flour and butter. And so that stuff wouldn't be going off over Lent because they didn't have fridges back in those days, so they couldn't just store it. So they wanted to eat it rather than waste it. And in French, we call Pancake Tuesday Mardi Gras. Mardi means Tuesday, Gras means fat. Fat Tuesday, because they'd eat up all the nice sweet stuff. And then in some areas around the world, they have these parades on Easter Tuesday. They call these Mardi Gras. And these big, massive parades. I suppose a bit like St. Patrick's Day parades. And this is to celebrate Fat Tuesday. And in the city of Rio de Janeiro, they have this parade. But they call it Carnival down there. And the word Carnival means, it's an old Latin word, and carni means meat, and val is goodbye. So it basically means goodbye to meat. So if you ever heard the word carnivore, it's someone who eats meat. So carni is meat. So carnival, goodbye to meat, because they're giving up meat then for Lent. And that's basically the origins of Pancake Tuesday.